Karnataka. Now the Karnataka government is possibly pushing for easier admissions for the minority community. There's a SOP that has been sent out to the students as it appears. For the minority community, there are some rules that have been put in place for the minority education bodies that could change now. We are told that there's only a passing mark that could be now required to ensure admission. But what are the legalities of it? What are the specifications that are coming? There is a blueprint that has been put out on this. Remember, earlier also there was an allegation by the BJP that there's a certain appeasement of the minorities that are being done by Karnataka government, and that it's not allowed, the manner in which it is being done on religious basis. Karnataka Education Minister has laid out the blueprint here. We'll try and get more details on what is happening, and will this lead to a political showdown on this? India Today's Anaga Keshav is joining with the latest. Anaga, what is this blueprint about? And has the BJP or the government in itself responded to what is it? This could lead to a lot of showdown and political rhetoric.
Well, Pooja, the government says that in fact, the number of seats in minority educational institutions, they were not really getting filled up. So that's why the government has now come up with a new scheme by lowering down the eligibility criteria for minorities in order to secure admission into these minority schools. So, earlier there was a certain percentage that the students had to obtain in order to secure entry, but now they are going to bring it down to just passing mark for minorities in order to secure admission in educational institutions. The government says that all these years we had a lot of seats, but they were not really getting filled. The classrooms were lacking in full student strength, and in order to fight that, they're now coming up with a new scheme by lowering down the required minimum passing mark so that more number of students from the minority communities, both Muslims and Christians, students from that community can now get admission into these minority educational institutions.